Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install the Paper app on your mobile phone step by step. Whether you're using an Android device or an iPhone, this tutorial will guide you through downloading the official Paper app from your Play Store or your App Store and installing it safely. PayPal is one of the world's most popular online payment platforms, allowing you to send and receive money, shop online securely, manage your account, and make digital payments with ease. So in this video, you'll learn how to download and install the PayPal app and also how to identify the official PayPal app. So just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Now let's get started. The first step you have to take is to go over to your Play Store or your App Store. If you're using an Android device, go over to your Play Store. Or if you're using an iPhone, go over to your App Store. So let me tap on my Play Store since I'm using an Android device. So you can see my Play Store is opening up. So once your Play Store or your App Store opens up, what you have to do next is to search for PayPal. And you can do that by tapping on the search icon at the bottom right. You can see it right there at the bottom right corner. So let me tap on it right away. Then the next step is to tap on the search bar at the top. Let me tap on it. Then what you simply have to do now is to type in PayPal, PayPal. So you can see it, I've typed it, so let me tap on search. You can see the PayPal app right there. You can see the logo. So what I'm going to do is to tap on it so you can see it more clearly. So let me quickly tap on it. You can see it more clearly now. You can see the name PayPal. You can see the logo. Now the next step you have to take now is to install this app. I can do that by tapping on install. So let me tap on install right there. You can see now it has started downloading. So what we have to do is to wait for it to be fully downloaded. So you can see now it has to get the 100%. Then after that it's going to start installing. You can see now it is at 99, then 100. You can see it right there, and it has started installing right now. You can see it right there installing. So let's wait for a few seconds. It's going to get installed now. Wow, you can see now it has been fully installed. Now I've been able now to download and install the PayPal app. Now the next step we have to take is to go ahead now to open up the PayPal app. So let me tap on open. You can see open right there on the right hand side. Let me tap on it to open it up. You can see now the PayPal app is opening. Wow guys, you can see now this is the dashboard. So what is left for you to do now is to go ahead now to set up your PayPal account so that you can begin to carry out transactions. So guys, I believe I've been able now to show you how you can download and install the PayPal app from your Play Store or your App Store. See you in our next upload. Bye.